Did you know that there is one millet that has more calcium than milk and is extremely good for women's bone health? Well, today I am making apple ragi cinnamon pancakes, which is loaded with iron, fiber, and every woman should definitely try this out. Now, before we move on to the recipe, let's quickly check what exactly is ragi and how beneficial it is for our health. So, ragi is also known as finger millet, and here are its health benefits. It is rich in calcium. It is one of the best plant sources of calcium, which supports strong bones and teeth, especially important for women and growing children. It is high in fiber that keeps you full, supports digestion, and helps regulate your sugar levels. It is a good source of iron, hence to improve your hemoglobin level and support energy and immunity of your body. It has low glycemic index, and hence there is a steady release of glucose in the body, thus managing your sugar levels quite well, along with weight management as well. And lastly, it is gluten-free, so it is suitable for people who have gluten sensitivity. Now let's dive right into the recipe. much everyone for joining in today. Do give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me because it really means a lot to me. I'll see you all in the next video.